So we make some pretty incredible products at FastCap, and Jeff is a contractor who was installing some windows in an apartment complex, and he wanted a better flashing so he didn't have any rotting problems. And so he came to us and we said, well, we think we have just the material. So this is our Puka Patch material. We gave him some and he tried it and he absolutely loved it. It's clear, super sticky, it's wider than traditional flashing, it's super strong, and Adam and Jeff were installing it, and it's just really easy to install because it doesn't blow off and it sticks and stays in place really, really well. You put it on just like traditional flashing, trim off the excess you don't need, start from the bottom, work to the top, all the same MO. The difference is it really sticks well. The other thing is, see how thick and sticky this is. Put it on. Okay. Or we can do our tar-based stuff right here, not nearly as sticky and not as wide. Feel like it's pulling the wood out. Come in a little closer. They're pulling the wood out. And I just put it on pulling the paint off, as opposed to this just peels right off like nothing. Look at that. Look at that. Incredible. That's the difference. That's why Puka Patch is so much better for your flashing.
And what does it smell like?
And the cool thing is, it smells like coconut. Stuff smells awesome, super durable, super sticky. It's absolutely over the top. So the big difference is this material tears, not very durable. This material, the Puka Patch, is extremely durable and super, super strong. Just the stuff you want on your windows.